work barge being propelled by a tug called Christine, just entering the channel here at Workington. You can no doubt hear seagulls making their voices heard. Tug Christine is a similar build to the old tug we have here at Workington called the Derwent. But Workington, the Derwent's been virtually retired from the job, and we have a new one called Helvellyn. As you can tell, it's a bit windy. They're just going down the channel towards the dock gate. See, I'm starting to follow her down. In the background you can see the cement silos that have recently been built here at Workington. And also in the background is the RNLI station, and just to the right of the RNLI station a ship called Arklow Rose, which arrived a couple of days ago with a cargo of cement. She's now starting to make its turn into the outer basin towards the dock gate. Now starting to turn towards the dock gate. And the seagulls are making themselves known. My friends, I'm going to have to leave you. The battery on my little Pocket 3 is starting to flash, so we'll say bye for now.